Nima,
Yeah.
look at this fried rice from the Chinese restaurant.
What are you gonna do?
Order it?
Order it from restaurant this
Yeah.
time?
You don't want to have fried rice?
I do wanna have fried rice, but I'll bet I can make better than that.
You sure?
Yes, I am. Do you wanna do a challenge?
Let's see. Let's see how you can make it.
If
I've
I
never had fried rice from me.
Okay, if I make really good fried rice like a takeaway that you are getting, like supposed to get in, then I'll challenge you next time.
Yeah,
Right?
why not?
Challenge? Okay, let's go.
But I'm tired.
I'll go and cook and I'll get
All
you
right.
there.
Call me when it's ready.
Okay.
Anima,
What?
you still here?
I'm 100% sure. Don't disturb me now.
All right. If you need any help, yell out.
I don't think you're gonna help me anyway.
All right. I better sleep for a while then.
Okay, let's do it. I've got all ingredients ready here. Onion, garlic, chili, corn and peas, 2 eggs, got some shallots, and of course we need some old rice, and that should be cold too. There you are. Let's start our cutting. My God. So that's chopped onion. God, this is really making me teary. So that's done. Let's chop some garlic. I can't see. At your own risks. Alrighty. Bit of oil on the heated pan. Let's put the ingredients that we cut before. Garlic, onion, stir it until it turns golden brown. Chili, and veggies. Egg, salt, let's stir it. some onion powder. Time to add soy sauce. Can you hear the noise? The sound? It's tempting. Fried rice is ready. I told him I'll give him the restaurant style. So let's plate it like a restaurant style. Voila, it's ready. Now, let's garnish with some of our salads and ready. So the restaurant style fried rice is ready. Let's call Onimis now. Onimis, fried rice is ready.
I'll be there.
He's just taking a lot of time. He would be surprised.
Ooh,
Look at that.
that looks yummy. What did it got in it? It looks like my Chinese
Give
takeaway
a try.
restaurant.
It will be definitely a restaurant style rice. I've challenged you, so I made it. How's it?
Ooh la la! You got Uncle Roger approved.
I wish Uncle Roger will approve me.
He will.
Please do approve me, Uncle Roger. And this fried rice is inspired by Uncle Roger.
If you are watching this, give us a review as well.
And let's see, that's my challenge. I will see what he will make next time.
Thank you. I'm gone.
Oh, I need that fried rice.